Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of beef roast. In a mixer jar, add 4 Kashmiri chilies, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger peeled and chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 7 cloves, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, less than 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 and 3/4 tablespoons of Goan vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, small piece of tamarind soaked in water, grind into a fine paste. If the paste is too thick, add water in between and grind into a fine paste. Wash and pat dry half kg of beef. Apply half teaspoon of salt. Using a fork, prick the beef both the sides. Apply 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Apply juice of half lime. Apply the ground masala. If you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Keep it aside and let it marinate for 30 minutes. In a pressure cooker on medium flame, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 3 cloves, 3 black peppercorns, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 3 Kashmiri chilies, 1½ onion sliced. Saute these ingredients for a few minutes until the onions are half cooked. Put the marinated beef in the pressure cooker. Stir it. Since there was little masala remaining in the mixer jar, I added water in it. Now I am pouring it into the pressure cooker. Add 1 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce, mix it well. Cover the pressure cooker with the lid. Cook on medium flame till 4 whistles come. Open the pressure cooker after 25 minutes. Remove the beef from the pressure cooker and place it on the chopping board. Cut thin slices. Now transfer the gravy from the pressure cooker along with the beef slices into a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it. Cover and let it cook on medium flame. Stir in between to prevent it from getting stuck. Also add salt according to your taste. I cooked it for 45 minutes on medium flame. Once the meat slices are cooked, switch off the flame. Roast beef is now ready. Place the roast beef on a platter. Sprinkle finely chopped coriander leaves and serve. Enjoy the beef roast. Thanks for watching.